Hey Nico, I'll go over a few problems here with you, and I'm seeing kind of the same problem with your answers, and I think this is really going to help. Um, so a lot of these have a chart or a table or whatever, and they're looking for a ratio of one thing to the next. So the first thing you have to do is figure out what that ratio is. So in this one, they're looking for which table shows a possible ratio for ingredients X and Y for the given number of servings. Great. Um, if we're looking at it, it's like here's 1 to 2. So think of that as like 1/2. 1 part X to 2 parts Y. Here's 2 to 3. Here's 3 to 4. These are all different fractions. If we look at this one, which is the answer you selected, 1 to 2 is 1/2. 2 to 4, that's the same as 1/2. So far you're good. 3 to 8 is not 1/2. So we're looking for like equivalent ratios in this one. If we go further down to the correct answer, it's 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6. These are all the same ratio. They all equal 1/2. Let's go to another problem. Here's one where it says we got 4 recipes. So another one they do, and this one is they want to see how you do with ratios, like comparing ratios. So again, think of it like fractions. Like this one is 5 parts honey to 2 parts oats. So as in like 5/2, 10/4, 15/6, okay? This one's 6/3. So this one's basically 2. This one is more like 4 to get to 10 is going to be 2.5. So this is 2.5 times more honey than oats. This one's only twice as much honey as oats. This one is 3 times honey to oats. And this one right here is twice as much honey to oats. So there's twice as much here as there is here. So it says which recipe has the greatest ratio? That would be this one because it's 3 times as much, and that's higher than all the others. There was another one. This one's kind of similar to it. There's a few like this. And again, think of it like fractions or how much one side is multiplied by the other. When you have a table like this, look for a key one. Like this one is 20 to 1/2. That's kind of an awkward number. This one's 80 to 2. So that means this is 40 times more. So that means there's 40 times more fragrance to wax. And they're looking for the greatest ratio of fragrance to wax. So that one's 40 times more. This one, if we look at one of these, let's see, this one is 3 into there, that's 50 times more. So far, this one is the biggest. This one here is 25 times more, because if we look at this right here, and we simplified it, we would have 25 to 1, so that's 25 times more. And this is 30 times more. So this one that was 50 times more is going to be the highest. Hopefully that helps you on this, those two things. Just think of these as like fractions going back and forth and trying to figure out how much one side is multiplied by another. Look for the easiest one, or this one's like the super easiest one because that one's 30 times more than this. So try to get down to the base part of the ratio, and that should help you.